In this video, I'm going to reveal my super successful free traffic methods that have been generating me thousands of dollars over the last couple of months with affiliate marketing. Yeah, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through some really successful free traffic methods that really do work. I think people underestimate free promotion methods because they think because they're free, they're not going to be as effective, but you'll be surprised. So I recently had my Facebook ad account closed down, which messed things up for a little bit, but it forced me to explore other methods. And some of the methods which I explored were free traffic methods, and they really worked really well. And I'm going to share them with you in this video today. I'm just going to jump on my computer to show you. So the first one is set up a professional, personal Facebook profile. So as you can see, the one behind me here, I'm not talking about a Facebook page. I'm not talking about your normal Facebook profile with your friends and family on. This is a specific Facebook profile that I've created basically for my personal brand, but I also use it for promotion. So all that I've done is create a Facebook profile and then posted things on that profile that people will be interested in my niche. So I'm mainly focusing on like making money online and affiliate marketing and digital marketing and things like that. So I post things that these types of people will be interested in, and then I just go into Facebook groups like this one here, the Affiliate Marketing Worldwide group. You scroll down, you find people, you find posts which are doing well, that I've got lots of comments underneath. Let me just shut that. And then you basically add those people to your Facebook profile, because if they're commenting and liking posts, it shows they're quite active. So you want to add people that are going to be active in that certain area to your Facebook profile. And then you basically just post things just like a normal Facebook profile that they will be interested in. But don't just post any old crap. Post things that grab attention. Like this is obviously promoting builderall and asking people to join my team. It's like exclusive opportunity. I post some screenshots of my earnings, and then obviously you get loads of people commenting that, saying that they're interested. And you just keep adding people and posting things, and you start to build up a really concentrated group of people that are interested in what you've got to offer. And the engagement is so good. It's a lot better than an actual Facebook page, because with Facebook pages, you have to pay for your posts to be seen by people, because that's how Facebook make money. But with this, Facebook still thinks it's a personal profile, so they show it to more people. So that's why I think it's a real good tip. And yeah, and these are the kinds of posts that you'd post. This is just some earnings that I made. I wasn't promoting anything, just telling people how much I've made. And then you get loads of comments on it, and get people asking for info, saying they want information on it. So it actually starts working so well, and you don't even really have to do anything. So it's perfect for building a personal brand, and it's great for promoting like any kind of products. And it doesn't just have to be in the make money online like niche. You can do almost anything. If you want to focus on fitness and you want to build a fitness personal brand and also promote some fitness affiliate products like from ClickBank, you could create a profile which is all about you going to the gym and how your progress, and post pictures like that. But then go to Facebook groups like fitness groups and things like that. Add people to your Facebook page, and then every now and again you can just drop in an affiliate link to one of your fitness products that you've discovered, and people will start signing up, and you can make so much money from it. And this is one of the main ways that I've made the majority of my money from promoting builderall through this personal Facebook profile. So that's a really good tip. Definitely make sure you do that. And you're only allowed 5,000 friends. I've only got 3,000 at the minute, and I'm still getting great engagement. And you just keep adding people, and then every now and again you can just delete the people that aren't active and add more people. But yeah, definitely give that a go. The next one is slightly related to my last point, but it is super effective for making sales online without spending a penny. And that is utilizing Facebook groups. Now, everyone knows about Facebook groups, but people aren't promoting in them correctly. There's a certain little trick and a little method that I use to promoting Facebook groups, and I am making so many sales from this little technique. So I'll just show you. This is a Facebook group that I post in, the Affiliate Marketing Worldwide group. As I said, I'm promoting affiliate marketing, make money online type products like builderall and things like that. So this is one of the main groups I post in. But when I look through this page, you see so many people like this person here that's just posting totally wrong, because what they've done here, they've posted this post and they've added their link in, so that's probably their affiliate link, and it's a text-based post. It's got no image. So what's wrong with that there is they've posted the link, and because they've posted a link, someone might see that. Even if they are interested, they'll click through on the link and then they might visit the page. But what will happen then is, because that's got no engagement, that will just get buried down that Facebook group, so not many people will see it. And what you have to do in Facebook groups is boost engagement. So what I would do is, I'll show you some of my posts here. I'll just search Liam James K in this group, just to show you the types of posts that I'm creating that are successful in this group. So as you can see, this one here is a post that I created about making money online. I'm promoting some training and builderall and things like that, and some CPA training that I was running. Here, look, 641 comments, 140 likes, and 9 shares. As you can see, I've not posted any links here. So what I do is you grab attention, you post something like finally after months of trying, use capitals, use emojis, grab their attention. But what you don't do is post a link, because as soon as you post a link, people will not engage in the post and then they'll just click through. And as I said, it's all about getting engagement, because every time, so you make them say, in the video I actually say, if you want more information on this, just type info below. And then they type info, and every time someone types info, that post goes back to the top of the Facebook group, so then other people see it. So it increases engagement and keeps the post at the top of the group, so then more people see it, more people type info. So that works really well. Another great tip is do videos, because if you can't do videos, do images, but videos work so well in Facebook groups. So many people just post text-based posts or really boring images. If you can create a video, again, Facebook loves videos, so it bumps it up people's news feeds, but people like to watch videos because they're lazy. And I kind of imply that in this post, I'm going to watch the video below for proof. I'm going to show you in this video how to do it. So then they click the video, and then by the end of the video, they realise, oh, I've actually got to type info to find the information. And then because they're already halfway down this little type of funnel, they type info to find out the information. And then I go through and then people who've typed info and then send them a link to my product. And that works really, really well for promoting products online. And again, because I've got my professional, personal Facebook page, some people might come from these posts and then click on this page and add you as a friend. So again, it builds your personal brand, but it works really well for promoting things as well. I'll just show you some more of my other posts so you can get another idea. Again, it's the same type of method which works. Look at my affiliate commissions for the last few days. So it doesn't even look like I'm selling anything, and then I'm saying, if you want to know the exact product and traffic source, just type info below. So then they see the video, it's proof, and then they type info. And then I've got 483 people that I can contact and send my link to, and it's got much more of a personal touch. Yes, it takes a lot longer than just posting your link and then going, but you can have a much higher success rate. So if you want to promote things for free, the great method is to post in Facebook groups, but really create engaging posts. And another tip that I've got as well, just on this, is when you first post in a Facebook group, it's best to try and boost engagement on your posts yourself. So a cool tip is to create a Facebook profile, which is not linked to you, like a fake Facebook profile, and then type info on that post, or get your friends to type info on your own post. And if people see a few people have already typed info, they're more inclined to follow like sheep, and then that again gets the ball rolling, and then your post basically just goes viral. So that's what it's all about. It's all about boosting engagement in groups, and don't just post in them and leave it. And my final super effective free traffic source is Instagram. Now everyone's on Instagram, and it's the place to be, but you can make so much money if you're promoting affiliate products on Instagram. So all you need to do is create another kind of like professional, personal Instagram page. It's kind of like this. So this is one that I've got, Liam James K. I mean, it's not exploded, but I get people clicking on my links and purchasing from this Instagram page. So all you do is whichever product you're promoting, add the link down here, add a really engaging post above it that's going to grab people's attention. Check out my free digital nomad training, how to quit your job, travel the world and earn loads of money. And then there's a link and it's leading through to a video that I created that's eventually promoting builderall. But you can put anything there that people will click through to. And then all you do is just put good content on your Instagram page that's based around that niche. And the key is consistency. You want to be putting like 1 or 2 or more images per day that are good images that have got loads of hashtags. So these are some images that I've got, like this one here, me reading a book. It's got loads of hashtags, expert secrets, .com secrets, digital marketing. Oh, I've just clicked on that. Digital marketing, loads of different things. And then people will see that post and then they just happen to go, oh, let's check out this guy's profile. Click on his profile, read this, and then click through in the link. And it is super effective and it's free. So if you just keep posting images every day with loads of hashtags, you will get people clicking on your link. Another great tip as well, if you don't want to create it around a personal brand, so you might want to do a fitness one or you might want to do a make money online one, but you maybe don't want to be in every picture, or you might realise that actually you've not got there's not enough going on in your life to make them interesting, which was the case with me before I moved to Bali. So I just post these quote images like this. These also work really well. And a great tip, if you go into Fiverr, because obviously you need to get these images, you go to Fiverr, there's people that do these posts for you. They add quotes on them, they can add your name and your domain, super cheap, $5 for like 5,000 quotes with no image, or you can get like, if you want your logo added, $20. But that's content for your Instagram to post every day. So here's someone that does something similar to that. So this is a millionaire.dream page. It's got 420,000 followers. It's run by Josh Ryan. And basically it's just quote-based images. And then you just add a link to his product or his affiliate product in here. And then people see the images, click on the profile and click through. And again, that's all free traffic going to that link. So it's a really effective way of promoting your affiliate links for free. And another cool tip for promoting on Instagram for free is this app called Captivate. So I use this. As you can see, I'm following shitloads of people and not that many people are following me. That's because I use this app. So you've got to remember to unfollow people, which I never do. But basically it's an app which you can choose to discover similar users and then it follows them people. So you can maybe go on like, sometimes I go on like Gary Vaynerchuk's list of people that are following him. And then I set this app to follow them people throughout the night. So when I go to sleep, I leave it going and it follows like one person every like 90 seconds so you don't get banned. And basically it follows them. And then what you find is some of the people that you have followed then come and have a look at your profile. And then if you've got a good bit of text here which grabs their attention, they will come and click on your link. So it works really well for getting people clicking on your link. But obviously I would make sure you're unfollowing people as well so you don't end up following loads. But that does work really well for Instagram. So that's it. They're my free, really effective free traffic methods that I am actually using. And they've brought me in thousands and thousands of dollars over the last couple of months just by using them exact methods like I've just shown you today. So make sure you give them a go, and they will take a little bit longer than like paid traffic methods, and it does require a bit more effort. But if you're just starting out and you want to reach more people but you haven't got a big budget, these are really good methods. But even if you have got a budget, I think you should be utilising these methods as well because they build your personal brand and they are really effective. So yeah, make sure you give them a go. Thank you for watching today's video. Hope you found it valuable. If you did, please hit the subscribe button. Until next time, thanks guys.